this is how you will add a pop-up form inside your funnel. So first you have obviously to have your form created. So going to form builder, start creating from here. You can always remember you can always duplicate any form you have in here. So I have already duplicated the opt-in claim, and this is the one that I have. I added some customized questions in here, and then I'm gonna integrate form and copy the form link. Okay, done. Now let's go back into our beautiful funnel. Select your funnel, go click on the image because we're making some edits. There's no use to click on the preview. And now let's select, for example, the buttons where the form will come up. So for example, in here, whenever I click here, the button, I click on the button and then scroll all the way down and select what do you want to happen whenever the button is being clicked. So in here, the last option is link to either the next step. So it will take you to the next step on the funnel, or they will enable the option for sending an SMS, a call, or the first option, as you can see here, is open the pop-up. So that would be the option in here for all the buttons. Open pop-up, open pop-up, here, open pop-up, and in here, open pop-up. There you have it. Save. Always remember to save. And now, where is this famous pop-up? You'll find it here on the top corner left where it says pop-up. Click in here, and this is what is coming up. So we're gonna add a row in here, which is gonna be only one column, add an element, and in here we're gonna add our beautiful form, and then it will ask you what form. So this is the opt-in challenge form. And as you can see, there it is, the form that I just created, and save. Let's have a quick preview of this. Preview. And let's scroll down, and whenever I click on my beautiful buttons, there it is. Now, I'm thinking that the form might look a little bit like empty, like it's missing kind of a title in here, right? So what you will do for adding that extra text, if you want to, is go back into Progreda, add another element in here, and maybe add a headline. So here, are you ready for this 5-day challenge? Please outline. First step is to fill out this form. We'll have a little emoji in here. Now you're always able to make some cute edits in here. I don't like that black, so instead of black, let's use this green. And that's it. Save. And that's it. Yes, so let's again, whenever you come back in here, you can simply refresh and changes should be already in there. So let's scroll down, click on the button, and there you have it. Now simply fill out the form, and as you can see in here, it won't let you because we have some required files in here. Now, for example, how do I make everything required? Like, I don't want people to go further if they don't give me their first name, last name. These are mandatory for me. Like, I want them to answer these questions. So let's go back into Progreda. Let's go back, and remember that forms are created and edited outside of the funnel. So I will go in here, form, builder. I will select my form, opt-in challenge form, and I will select each field and mark them. So for example, this question, mark in here as required, mark in here as required, first name required, last name, I guess that can be optional, email, is required. Phone can always be, should be always optional. Remember that. This is compliance. And also let's add in here a small text. This is also for compliance and best practices always. You need to have a little disclaimer in here that says, where did it go? So again, let's add a text in here. Click here on the text, and then you make edits on the right. Something like, by filling this form, you agree to subscribe to our marketing communication. Feel free to opt out at any time by sending the word stop. Okay, now this is way too big. And so what about, so I want, let's do, okay, so that was the background, and now the size, instead of, let's make it a 10. Then I have a typo in here by filling. Okay, and that's it. Save form. And now there's no need to go back into the funnel. What you will rather want to do is go simply into your preview, refresh, and it should show right away. So scroll down to any of your buttons in here. As you can see, they are already required. How do I know? Because they have these little stars after each question, and at the end I have my little disclaimer. Awesome. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye.